Alright guys, today we got this Chevy right here. It applies to pretty much all models though. So customer states car wouldn't start, got to the gas station, tried turning the key on after you put gas and it wouldn't start, and then it smoked in the front end over here. After getting it, I tried turning the key, I heard one click, I was like, so I was like, okay, maybe the battery's dead, maybe it just, you know, the alternator went out or something. Put my jump box on there, but before I turned it on, mine has like a little digital screen and it tells you how many volts the battery has. Well, I had 12, so I know it had power. Tried to start it, tried to turn it on again, it's one click. So, I mean, just ideally, it was the starter. So in this case, it was the starter. It smoked from the front, that's where the starter is. Like I said, it clicked one time. It wasn't like tick, 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 like a dead battery, it was just a click, like the starter trying to engage. And then you can see the starter's all saturated, so that could be a reason it went out too. But this car does have 100,000 miles on it, so it's just that time.